Good evening and welcome to the session number 23 from the playlist of electrostatic potential and capacitance. The topic is the derivation of the magnitude of electric field inside a non-conducting sphere. So based on this topic, I have drawn here one simple diagram. So this is a non-conducting solid sphere and its radius is capital R. And we have to find the magnitude of electric field at a distance say small r from the center of the sphere. So this is the surface which I have shown here with the help of these dotted lines, which is at a distance of small r from the center. So in order to find the magnitude of electric field, we will first of all find the volumetric charge density. Now let us consider that the total charge which is spread throughout the volume of this non-conducting sphere is Q. So the volumetric charge density 0, this will be equal to Q divided by 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Now in the case of a non-conducting sphere, the charges are uniformly spread throughout the volume of the sphere. So if it is so, then the volumetric charge density will be equal to 3Q divided by 4 pi capital R cube. Now in the case of a conducting sphere, the charges are spread uniformly over the surface of the sphere. Whereas in the case of a non-conducting sphere, the charges are spread throughout the volume of it. So this is the volumetric charge density. So the total amount of charge which is enclosed by this surface at a distance small r. Total charge enclosed by the surface at a distance, or you can say at a distance, or you can say radius r. So this will be equal to the volumetric charge density, which is equal to 3Q divided by 4 pi R cube multiplied by the volume of this surface, which is at a distance of small r from the center. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 pi small r cube. So from here, this 4 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled out, and 3 will also get cancelled out. So this will be equal to Q small r cube divided by capital R cube. So this is the total amount of charge enclosed by this surface, which is at a distance of small r from the center. Now I will be using the Gauss law. Now the Gauss law says that, or the equation for the Gauss law is EA cos theta. This is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. So this is the formula which I am deriving when the medium is free space. So in that, if the medium is free space, then EA cos theta will be equal to Q upon epsilon naught, where Q is the total charge enclosed by this Gaussian surface. So this is the Gaussian surface. So the total charge enclosed by this Gaussian surface, this will be equal to Q, and the Q is equal to, and the total charge enclosed will be equal to Q r small r cube divided by capital R cube. And here theta is the angle between the direction of the electric field and the normal to the surface. So theta here will be equal to 0 degree and cos 0 will be equal to 1. So E is the intensity of the electric field, or the magnitude of the electric field, which we have to find. A is the surface area of this Gaussian surface. So this will be equal to 4 pi r square. And this is equal to Q. Q is equal to, that is the total charge enclosed by this Gaussian surface. This will be equal to Q r cube divided by capital R cube. So from here, the intensity of the electrical field, this will be equal to Q R, small r cube divided by capital R cube divided by, so this will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi r square. So from here r square, and here this will be equal to E Q upon epsilon naught. So here there will be epsilon naught. So E will be equal to QR cube, that is Q small r cube divided by 4 pi capital R cube multiplied by small r square into epsilon naught. So from here this will get cancelled out. So finally the intensity or the magnitude of electric field at a distance small r from the center of the non-conducting sphere will be equal to QR divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. So this is the formula for finding the magnitude of the electric field at a distance r from the center of a non-conducting sphere. So in the next session, I will be discussing one very simple numerical problem which will be based on this topic. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.